नमस्कार मंडळी. Wow, that was an awe-inspiring lot of speeches. I hope some of you are inspired with that, and I just want to, from bottom of my heart, say thank you to all our distinguished guests that have spoken here today. Thank you. आणि गर्जे मराठीकडून मी पुन्हा एकदा सगळ्यांचे स्वागत करतो. Our summit's theme was Grow with Purpose. But this year, along with the leadership team, we really worked hard to make all of the summit program itself as much inclusive as possible. And I'll talk to you about what I mean by that. Garje Marathi has become a brand name for entrepreneurship and startups. Our startup acceleration program has taken many startups and many cohorts, and over the years, they have become tremendously successful. All of this started with the idea of giving back to the community. How can we mentor? How can we grow a lot of our Maharashtrians around the globe? And this year, in the summit, we have doubled down on that entrepreneurship. We not only have Pitch Fest in the evening today, we also added in a youth Gen Z Pitch Fest, which is separate in the youth pavilion tomorrow. So there are 10 companies presenting today, and there are additional 7 companies presenting completely Gen Z entrepreneur company tomorrow. We also have a lot of small, medium business focused entrepreneurship, and there is a Chamber of Commerce panel discussion sometime during the breakout. We are also launching Maha Marketplace a little later in the morning session only. We also heard that, from many entrepreneurs, many ventures, that is something you're not born with, you just come up with various ideas and do it. But many people want to just grow in the corporate leadership itself. And they're kind of, no, I just want to stay within the corporate world and I want to grow there. So what is there for me? So this year we have added several fireside chats just focused on corporate leadership, personal branding, as well as breaking the ceiling, reaching the new heights, and just focused on that. There are several industry stalwarts that are going to share their golden nuggets on what they did, how they did, and strategies and so on. Just focused on that. Garje Marathi's focus has been on several industries, and as many of you may know and may not know, there are industry-specific WhatsApp groups, and we do a lot of monthly, sometimes ad hoc meetings in those forums, in those vertical groups. So definitely feel free to join one of those. And related to that, we have several panels in the breakout sessions today. We talked a lot about sustainability in the morning, but apart from sustainability, we also have a lot of other industry focus, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and you name it. There are tremendous focus. By the way, in sustainability, Dr. J.B. Joshi talked about the biomass. We also had one of the cohort companies, Hub Biomass, which is right there in Pune. And definitely they have done wonders over the years in how to transition and apply various things in effectively using Hub Biomass. And finally, and most importantly, our youth, our students, our young professionals, we have more than 100 youths today in this summit, out of whatever 500 plus 600 or attendees attending this summit. So this year, we also formed what I call a youth association. It's named Marathi American Youth Association, Maya. That term is coined by the youth association members themselves. And these youth association members, working alongside other members of the initiatives that are related to the youth programs, have designed the youth pavilion completely, and it is catered towards what those youth need, and that's all happening tomorrow. So take those advantage of, there are live workshops, there are a lot of different strategies on resume writing versus speed networking and so on. So to all the summit attendees, I request you all to take active participation, network, learn from each other. Garje Marathi seed was sown a long time back by Anand Ganuji, more than 8 years back. But today it has become a giant tree with a lot of branches, and it has grown into all different worlds. And that is all done by these hundreds to thousands of different volunteers that are driving these programs, that are driving these initiatives, and that are taking these initiatives to new heights. So definitely, you can start your own initiative as well. If you don't find something, come forward. We have the infrastructure, we have the process laid out, and we can help you set up that initiative to grow. And as you seek help, definitely lend a helping hand as well. There will be a lot of help seekers. Don't turn them away. This is the place where the minds and the needs meet together. So definitely use that. So with that, we are concluding the morning session. Once again, I want to thank all our chief guests, Garje Marathi Global Board itself, as well as my colleague and co-convener Pramod Attarde for all of the valuable sessions so far in the morning. And I ask you all to please enjoy the rest of the day today. Lot of sessions, lot of different programs. Please enjoy the Power Pack 2 days. Dhanyavad. I request you all to take a quick 5-minute bio break, and tea, coffee, whatever. Please come back. We are starting the next session within 5 minutes right here on the main stage. Thank you.